Hello.
Hi. Okay, so I think we should start from checking out on YouTube if everything is working. YouTube if everything is working.
Okay, I guess it is. So we can go
And start.
with Hangperson game. Let's start by cloning this repo. Here's our Cloud9 and we have it here. Go into it. Then we need to run bundler, right? Bundle, but it's not installed. Okay.
I'm sorry, I can see us sharing same cloud, even though you're like. Can you see it? Click share on your.
Where do I click?
Oh, you can share because I guess I was the one that invited you. So, okay, maybe when everything, in my.
Yeah, but maybe you're on different cloud.
No, we're on the same cloud. Maybe I'm just refresh. I'm gonna refresh. Okay, that's weird. So I'm just gonna maybe create new workspace, or I don't know. I'm gonna. Oh, you're not here anymore, and now you're here. Okay, I'm gonna delete you and ask you to join one more time. Okay?
Okay.
I don't know. It's like you're not logged in, but you apparently are. So. Maybe do something, and maybe it will,
I'm doing this stuff, and you should already see the directory I cloned. Try running ls. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna close this and enter one more time. And you just stay there. Stay. Yeah, it's working.
Okay.
Yeah, we are already there, both of us. Okay.
Okay, so we are here. We will be running auto test to run the tests. So let's see how many of them pass. Right now, we're not in the directory, so we see into it. I'm gonna bundle because I interrupted it. Sort of problems. As you can see, that it's running.
It's moving.
Okay, now we run auto test. And we have 18 examples and 18 examples pending.
Okay, so maybe I'm gonna start.
As a driver, right?
Yeah, as a person that
Code.
button. Yeah. Okay, so uh, I'm gonna enter spec Hangperson game.
Yeah, so I can't see your open files.
Yeah, you have to open it with me.
Okay, so
Okay, so I'm starting from deleting pending from, yeah, we can start from 12th line.
okay, so you can save file, right?
Yeah.
And let's make this test pass. You need to save a file, and the auto test will run it. Yeah, we have
Okay.
one failure, and it's
My brush refused to scroll, so I'm just gonna watch it on Hangout. Which line is it?
it's line 15. Line 15 of that spec, which says Hangperson takes a new parameter and returns a Hangperson object. Right, but it fails. I'm not sure why it doesn't show the exact fail line. Bigger. Why?
Well, or you won't. 9 cloud bash is like the most annoying thing.
Yeah, I would restart this. Nope, new terminal. Auto test. Okay, now it's better. And we have it on line 16 in this spec, which is here. Here, actually.
Expect Hangperson game words to equal glory.
Yeah, so you need to go to the Hangperson game class and see why. It says undefined method word. So it just doesn't have this method.
Okay, so open up with me.
Yeah, we have this app.rb. No, it's not the file. It is in the, where's this file? In the lib folder, and there's a Hangperson game.
Yep, Hangperson game. Okay. So we have this almost empty method here. And let's do something with it.
Yeah. So we were missing method the word, but I guess it will be just a simple getter for that instance variable word. So we can just probably add a getter method. ITTR accessor, right?
Yeah. Okay, so I guess it should be right above the method.
Yeah, it would be a good spot.
Watch me for my misspells, because it's like
It's with 2S, I guess.
assessor. Okay. It worked.
Yeah, when you save a file, we should get different error message.
Result, yeah. Okay, I saved.
Oh yeah, now it's undefined guesses.
Okay, so let's go with guesses.
Yeah, but it's undefined method, so
Yeah, but don't you want to start from defining?
yeah, we can initialize this variable in here, like with empty strings.
Okay. And here.
Okay, hit save. And now wrong guesses, so let's do the same.
Okay. Okay, so one more time, I'm starting guesses to empty array.
Empty
It's
string.
empty string, yeah. And
Wrong guess.
wrong guesses. Okay.
Hit save. Okay, sounds good. Okay, so this example went green.
Okay.
So I can uncheck pending here
Okay.
for those three pending.
We should frequently change roles, but it was like every 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So yeah, I guess I can do this one
Yeah,
too.
do this one and then we'll change.
Okay.
You can those
Okay.
pending below. Just delete them too. Okay, save and see what face. It's a message for me, but okay, so we have two failures now, but it's all no, it's undefined method guess. We don't have this method, and we can see that this method takes one argument, right?
Yeah.
So here's the body of this class, and yeah, it's not there. It probably be not a simple getter method, but some just a regular method with one argument.
Okay, so let's go with define.
Yeah, define guess method.
Yeah. Which takes
One
letter.
one argument. Yeah, we can
Yeah.
call it letter because that's probably what it is.
Okay. Let's end this.
Yeah, you can hit the save and we'll see the other failure. Right. Okay, now we have like straight expectation. Guessing correctly changes correct guess list. So if we let's see at the spec. It's the line 29. So it face here, but we first initialize this game with this word to guess sharply, and we then make a valid guess, which is A, and then we expect that guesses will be updated. Right?
Yes.
So we need to modify this, actually this method guess. So we update guesses.
Okay. So
let's go to the to here to body of this method. And yeah, let's update just the simplest. When you get this letter, let's just add to the guesses.
Okay, so let's start from if guesses include letter.
Why do we want to add if? We just care about the first simple spec. So I think we should just add this letter to guesses list, and it will this test will pass. We don't. Then we will modify it. So yeah, well, in the end, this method will be more complicated, but let's try the simplest. Well, we can simply add this letter to guesses list. It will make this test pass, right? If we add letter to guesses and we hit save, this spec goes through because there were two failures, now it's one, and we now fail on line 45. which was
line 45 was still pending, so I don't know why.
Oh, let's kick out this passes, right?
Yeah.
Right now. So well, you can remove those pendings.
Okay.
Because yeah. Okay, now what we got now guesses incorrectly, changes wrong guess list. But here we are checking guesses lists. So incorrect guess shouldn't add to guesses list. Let's see at the spec, right?
Yeah.
So it's line 42, and we have wrong guess, and we expect guesses to remain blank, but we want to add guesses to we want to add this letter to wrong guesses. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can go with a simple if.
Okay.
And see if this letter is included.
Okay, so let's start from if letter included. If word include letter. Sorry.
You want to check
if I just if
the letter is included in the word, not the other way around.
Include letter.
Yeah, then we add to the correct guesses like before, right?
Yeah.
So just move this line from above to below that condition.
Yeah, I thought we're gonna start from this if statement as it's like obvious one, and then just
okay.
But yeah, that's fine too.
Yeah, then we just else, right?
Wrong guesses.
Yeah, and add this letter here.
Yeah. Letter. Okay.
To end Dave.
Sure.
Good, and save. You save the file. Okay. Okay, so no failures here. So I guess we can switch roles now.
Okay.
So I'll add the cover. I'll even set timer so we don't miss it. Okay. So now we should progress with removing pendings.
I'm gonna try to make my brush works.
I have some problems now.
Yeah. Okay, it should work now.
Okay, so I removed 2 of them. Should be enough. So which are failing? Which tests are failing? So well, something happened. You run out of tests too. Right?
Yeah. Okay. So it's working. So we have 2 failures. One is at line 56 and then at 60, and first one is 56 is expect game guess to A, and let's expect wrong guess 2.
Okay, let's focus on the first one,
Okay.
right? So the failure reads like guessing same letter repeatedly does not change correct guess list.
Yeah.
So the problem was that we got returned 2A, but the guesses should be just 1A. Yeah, so it's probably place here the problem. And yeah, we shouldn't add to guesses list if it's already there. Right? So
Yeah.
if I do let's see if it works. Yeah, this one passed, right?
Yeah.
And
Okay, so the next one was the line 60, and it was expect game, wrong guesses. So
it's similar to the
yeah,
one before.
yeah, it's really similar. So we should just
Try apply the same stuff
yeah.
to wrong guesses. Okay, so
yeah, that worked. Okay, so let's remove next pending. Save. Okay, and we got 2 failures again, and it's in line. First is in line 63, which is expect game guess A to be false. And the next one, just to know, is in line 67, and it's expect game guess A to be false. Okay, so
yeah, let's focus on the first one.
Yeah.
We probably wanna just assert, try what is the return value of this method, right?
Yeah, so I guess we should just go with return false if
Where do we wanna put it? We want to return false if the guess is false, right? Because here, no, the guess is alright, but it's the repeated guess, so we don't add to the list. And in this case, we want to return false. So yeah, so maybe
return false if guesses already include letter.
right?
Yeah, I guess so. Or not so much.
Yeah, it's good because we had different. We had this line 63. Now it says 64.
And 64 is.
What's the difference here?
64 is expect game guess, czyli expect wrong guess.
Yeah, when
it's repeatedly wrong. Yeah, it also should be false. So just go with same thing, only wrong guesses, and put or behind it.
Yeah. Good idea. Let's see if it works. Whoa. I made a mistake. There's
Okay. And then it's line 67. Expect game guess. Okay, so we just should add condition that case should be insensitive.
Yeah, we wanna make it case insensitive.
Yeah, so let's just put letter and noun case. After definition. Yeah.
And it works, right?
Okay.
So
let's remove.
Yeah.
Next pending.
Okay, probably better if we do it Y by line. Okay, so
it raised an error in line 78. Which is expect game guesses empty string to raise error, argument error. Okay, so let's raise error, argument error. After definition,
okay.
Rise and an argument error.
Yeah, and we need to add a condition on it, right?
Yeah, but I guess it would be in next pendings.
Yeah, but with the condition, so all would break, right? The one
okay,
before.
but we can take a look what's in there next before we push save. When not a letter. Okay, so we can already move this pending.
No, we are still here, right? When empty, so.
Oh, okay, so if letter empty.
It's empty.
Yeah.
It's string, so it should work. Okay, now we have those pending, and when we move it. Yeah, so now we got not a letter.
Yeah, so we can put R in there after empty and letter nil.
And no, it's about not being yeah, this one, but we can try both of those.
Oh yeah, that was the next one. Okay, so the first one.
Yeah, we want to check if it's a letter. So that's the.
Okay, so
what method?
I think we should use method match. and from regex,
we need a regex for catching letters, right?
yeah.
Okay.
And add this should be insensitive for.
Oh, right. Okay, let's see what it does. It's some syntax error.
Yeah, it should be when it's not.
I missed this one.
Yeah.
Cool, 10 failures. I think we have. We're matching letters, but we want to
No letters,
phrase
yeah,
when
yeah.
not a letter. So it's like
Okay, save.
negative. Okay, still this one pending if it's new.
Yeah, okay, so we just should add their R and.
Yeah, because it's twice here. We can't call empty on nil. So we need to do it before.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Well. Nil and R and letter L.
Yeah. Okay, now we can I think switch because I've got 1 minute left on my timer, so it's a good occasion to switch.
Okay, so we go to
start by removing pending.
Okay, so let's start from this little one. It's already put 3 failures.
Yeah, I can take a look. Yeah, so we are having this undefined method word with guesses. So yeah, let's start by defining the method word with guesses.
Okay.
So I don't think you should put it below the guess method.
Okay.
Oh, anywhere actually, but yeah. Word with guesses.
Word with guesses. Okay.
Yeah, it takes no arguments, so it's good. It's good here. And yeah, let's run.
Yeah.
Okay, so get 3 expectations. It's actually the hardest method here. So.
Okay, let's start maybe from the easiest, which is second, I guess. Displayed word with.
Okay, so yeah, that would be the easiest one. So we will, when there are no guesses, they just display those dashes. When there's no right guesses.
Okay, so let's write it like, wait, if guesses empty. Empty.
Yeah, it could work. So then return dashes. But yeah, we need to return the number of dashes that is equal to the letters in the word.
Like
Yeah,
word length.
Yeah, word length is good. TH. I misspelled that. Okay, just add end and we'll see. Yeah,
okay,
but you can refactor it a bit.
Okay.
By those adding spaces.
Sure.
here too, so it's more readable.
Okay.
Okay.
Code should be pretty.
Yeah. So, well, did you run it? Is it safe?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one passed, but we still should have this. We need to show letters in the place of those dashes when there are guesses. So I think we should go with iterating on the guesses list, and because guesses are the correct one, right? So
Hello.
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 Could I join you two guys in the homework too?
Yeah, we are pairing on the Sinatra Hangperson homework, but yeah, we're in the middle of it, so I'm not sure if
Sorry.
good.
Yeah, you can watch, but we're like in the middle of the exercise
No
homework
problem.
number
No
2.
problem. I have no problem in that.
Okay, so we have this. We are here, right?
So could you share the C9 account?
Yeah, we're doing like this via C9 Cloud.
Just add me to the C9. This is my email address.
You can see my screen, right? Okay,
We
so
are using Macintosh.
yeah,
So this is live. The video chat is live.
yeah, it's live actually.
Okay, sorry. Don't you mind if I mute you, because every time you say something, our Hangout show, your picture, not the screen. So when someone gonna watch it, yeah, it's only be your face.
I didn't understand. What are you trying to say? Sorry.
We're trying to record the homework, correct? So you can observe, but yeah, please don't interrupt us, okay?
Okay, so I can't collaborate with you on the C9.
Uh, yeah, but it's a pair programming, right? We already got a pair.
So we can have the three programming. That's not a problem on the edX. I've checked out. We can three have
Yeah, but it would make sense if
on the cloud.
we began
Yeah, if you began with,
from the beginning, but we are like in the middle.
Not from the beginning. I can continue from the middle. No problem. If you have no problem, or I'll disconnect. No problem.
Uh, yeah, we think we'll just stay in pair. So
Okay.
probably need to find someone else. And I don't need me to be rude, but yeah, we are just finishing, so I don't think it's a good idea to join now.
Okay. I'll just see.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so where we at? We're at.
I don't know. I'm sorry if we were rude or something, but I haven't read that, someone can join the homework in the middle, etc. So okay, never mind. Okay, so we got 2 more errors.
Yeah, we got finding this. We need to replace dashes with correct guesses. So I know who's driving right now.
I'm the one that's writing now.
So let's just do. I think we should iterate on the word we have, like get on each. Start with dashes, right? We have word, and when we split it, we'll get array of letters.
Yeah.
And we can go through each letter and check if it's there in the guesses list. Right? So,
okay, so we should go with
map method on it, right?
yeah, map.
Pass a block, do, and letter.
Okay, and then I guess
Check if it's in the guesses.
Oh, what happened here? Okay. If
the guesses include the letter.
Guesses. Letter.
Yeah, and then we
Else.
should replace. Yeah, okay, we can write else.
Okay, so then just letter and else those things. Yeah.
Dash. Yeah, you just add spacing and end to that if. Okay, let's hit save. You need to close end this block on map, right? We're missing end on it. Okay, and
Okay,
hit
save.
the save button. It's running or not? Hit save again.
Yeah, I see.
I know. We take a look. We expected string, but we got an array of letters.
Yeah.
We need to join it, and yeah, there's a method on arrays that we can join, which is simply join, right?
Okay, so we should join on end.
Yeah, the output was the array. When we join it, should be okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but I think let's try removing those lines. Maybe it will work, and we will save those lines. Like we have those tests because even if we have guesses empty, it will still work. Right? Let's try.
Okay. Yeah, it's still working.
It's still working, so we don't need this actually. Okay, so another pen example, we can remove pending from it.
Erase all the three?
Yeah, or one by one.
One by one?
Yeah.
Okay. So save.
And we have it running on check win or lose method. We have undefined check of win or lose, so let's begin by defining it, right?
Yeah.
Win or sorry, check win or lose.
Okay.
Okay, you can make it passing by simply returning win, but it will be cheating. So yeah, let's just remove pending from all of it. From all specs, and we have more to work with because returning win would make it pass, but that makes sense here. No, right. Okay, now we have three finding methods, and the point is just we should check check the state and see if it's if you're losing or winning. And what we have state in here, right?
Yeah.
The words with guesses actually tell us the state of the game. So you can go and check it, right? When there are no dashes, we win.
Okay. Okay, so maybe with something like if guesses no.
If words with guesses.
No, I want to go with regex and just put like if it's only combine. Yeah, no. If it's only letters in word, that means you win because there are no dashes.
Yeah, there are no dashes. So yeah, you can just go.
Okay, so
guesses match, right? Well, word with guesses match.
Yeah.
And the regex for it would be letters, right?
Yeah. So
yeah, A to Z.
Yeah.
Z, it should be case insensitive. It doesn't matter, I think. But yeah, we can leave it. Then we need to return win, right? In this case.
Yeah.
You need to end the if statement.
Yeah, but I think that it should have some kind of, I don't know how to say it, but I think it's gonna check as win words that has all both dashes and letters, because match check if it's letters.
The regex is wrong, right?
Yeah, I don't know if it's wrong. I just think we should just
to match one letter, and the letter could be anywhere.
Yeah. So I guess maybe if we add something like A to Z as long as the word that.
Yeah, we need to check that each letter each character is a letter, not a dash. So with regex, we probably need to.
No, I think
we need to write it's a letter, but it should be 10 times. When the word is when the word has 10 letters, then we should have in the regex.
Yeah, so it should be just
letters.
Word length, I guess, but I'm not sure how to write it.
Yeah, we got this. Can try on Rubular. We need to have like the matching word is.
Or check the
ABC.
Maybe check the basic.
Yeah,
reference.
But if we have this A seed, it could match any of those letters, even if we have
but
dash here. But
as you can see in regex,
it's here the exactive. We need to have exactly this many letters as the word.
Yes.
So only when we don't have a dash, then it matches.
Yeah. Okay. So maybe we should just use something you found. And write there just word length.
Yeah, it needs to be the length of the word.
Okay, so I guess in braces.
Yes, in braces, but you need to first interpolate into this regex, just like in strings. So there's this hash and braces, and then
like that?
No, first you wanna we wanna have regex, let's say 4, right? But we don't know how long is the word, so we need to interpolate this value from the variable. So we do this as in strings, right?
Oh, okay.
And then
Okay. And then we can.
Word length. Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah, let's try
Let's save.
how the test works. Yeah, it worked for win, but yeah, when it's not winning, we returned nil. So we need to handle the other cases, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's add else if to that statement, right?
Okay.
When we are winning, then we return win, but else if yeah, there should be not. Yeah, that's proper spacing, I think.
Okay.
So we have two states now. The play and losing. What's the condition for losing? We need to see, right? For losing when there are more than 7 incorrect guesses. I think that's just the rule of the game that you can guess.
Okay,
at least
so we can just
at most
write
7 times.
else if
Yeah.
wrong guesses.
Length, right?
Yeah. Length equal 7.
Yeah, it should work. And then we lose, right?
Yeah. And else if play.
Yeah, the game.
Else play.
Else the game is on.
Okay.
Save, hit the save. And yeah, all green. So is that it?
Yeah.
No, yeah, it's the first part, right? The part 2. No,
Okay.
it was the part 1. Hangperson. Okay, now we can actually have a commit here, because why not? Just commit. Part 1 done, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the other part is it's more reading background, but we already read it because we are good students and we don't want to like record ourselves reading because it's boring.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now we need to connect this Hangperson class to Sinatra, and we have this file app.rb where the backbone of the Sinatra app sits, right? Okay, now we're using different tests, right? For it, I think. Yeah, they advise us to start this app, so maybe you can. I will paste it because I'm on the screen, but yeah, I will tell you what to do because you're the driver, right?
Okay.
Okay, but since we already run the bundler, since it works, we have it. We added actually before the commit, and now you need to log in, right? You're the driver. We'll
Okay.
use your account.
Um.
I'm not sure if I can see your typing actually when I'm not.
Okay, so let's go from Heroku login.
Yeah. Yeah, now
Okay.
run Heroku create. And now git push Heroku master.
Okay.
And
Oh, but it's
yeah, you're not in the right directory. Now probably to run Heroku create again.
yeah, okay.
Create. If it's
Yeah.
git push Heroku master. Git. And you could send me this link when it's done. And yeah, I will show here on screen that it's online.
Okay.
But yeah, it takes a while.
Okay, I'm gonna
Heroku.
push it through.
Hangout.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's the game. And it fails because we have not done this part yet. Okay, we're here. Yeah, we'll be using Cucumber, and you can run it, right? Go to the terminal and run Cucumber. Oh, I need to do it since I'm the host.
Yeah, I guess.
Because when we run it, no one will see it. So let's do this. Cucumber. Okay, we've got 10 failures, but we'll start from start new game feature. Okay, it's failing, and so yeah, we just saw it here on Heroku. We got this. We see the new game button, but when we press it, we see
Yeah.
that it breaks. So we need to go to this app, right? And yeah, I think it's here. It's Postgres because we can verify it. We have it's new. This is this page, and when you click this button, it sends us to method posts. But it's incomplete, like the comment says. We need to, yeah, maybe you can fill it out. It should be, we need to specify where it should go, right?
Okay. So we should put action create. Yeah.
Yeah, it should go to the, because we have here the, yeah, create. We create a new game.
Okay.
So it should make a post on the root create, and yeah, we do this by having action. Oh yeah, it appears with the lag. But don't forget about those question quotation marks and the trailing slash. I don't think it's needed.
Okay.
Save and run calc. Yeah, it's green. So maybe we can switch roles now because I've been running for a while. Or yeah, I can make it another switch.
No, it's okay.
You mean what? What's this okay?
I can.
Let's do the switch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, just yeah, we are.
Yeah, we have part 4 cucumber.
Yeah.
And we just got our first scenario. Green.
Okay.
And now we should run features guess feature. Let's see if it's green, but I guess it's not. Yeah, one failure. So I can go for the phase. Because it's hierarchical. We didn't push it there. But
yeah, I have to.
We have this one.
Okay, I can't see your test or anything that's going on in your bash.
So you need to run this cucumber features guess feature. Features guess feature.
No, okay. Features guess. Okay. Okay, so I can see it now. We have the failure at then the word should read expects to find
So you can go through those steps actually in the browser and see what's the problem.
yeah.
Given I have a work-started game and we have some guesses, it should show us the correct guesses, list or not, but it probably doesn't show shit.
Yeah, it's not showing anything.
There's no word so far, so we need to put it here. So what is this? Where it's hidden? What is the view? Right? It's a question to ask. It's on the show. So Okay, we have those here, this game method defined. So it just displays. So it gives those words with guesses, which is the word with dashes. So from the view, it probably looks okay. But when you look into this, yeah, so when we are running guess, we're making a post request here. We don't update the guesses, right? So our guesses are nothing happens with them right now.
Yeah.
We have this little code here.
So I guess we should write.
Yeah, we should.
Game.
We have this game variable.
Game guess letter.
Yeah, we should call this method we worked on before.
Yeah, game guess letter.
Okay, it's green.
Okay.
So now when we follow the README, it just says go on and make the rest of the features
Works.
Yeah, working. So let's just do it. Let's learn the cook. And we have two files failing. Begin with guess.
Okay. Okay, so it says that we should see you have already used that letter. If this letter is repeatedly put, in the game.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess we should go to app, just like the last time, yeah?
Yeah, I'm here already.
And then write under letter params. Under?
Yeah, it sounds good.
Yeah. If.
Yeah, we need to check.
Yeah, if game wrong guesses include letter. We done something similar, I guess, later. Not later.
Before.
Before, yeah. So.
Yeah, we check with if the letter is in the wrong guesses.
Yeah.
But also if it's in the.
Okay, in right guesses. So does game guesses include letter? And then it should flash message.
Yeah, we save it in the flash.
Yeah, message. And as it was said,
it's here. I'll just paste.
Yeah, you have already used that letter.
save and see. Good, so it's passing, right? Remaining stuff is
Okay, but there's also if a guess is an invalid, set flash message to invalid guesses. Do you think we should?
yeah, but the spec is failing. Spec is not failing here. This one. Yeah, but we can try. Why not? Guess is invalid. Guess is invalid. When guess is invalid, it returns false, right?
Yeah.
That's what we did in this spec. So I think we'll just do it. I can try if it returns false, then we set flash message to invalid guess. Right? It's
Yeah.
1-9 conditional. It will be called anyway, this guess, because it
Okay,
needs to check
so
the condition.
Let's see.
I hope we'll get extra points because it was green without it too. Or not. Alright, we can have only one message in the flash. And yeah, because when we saved here the flash,
Yes.
it was overwritten here. So this comment lies plus.
Or we should, check or not check, but choose. Yeah, which one we want to flash.
Yeah, but we cannot modify specs. The cucumber. Like this.
Sorry, 1 minute. I have to. Okay. Put my charger.
Now it should. Good. One more scenario. Maybe we'll switch now. What do you think? Because it's the last one.
Okay.
Okay, so now you write stuff. I'll just features game over. And what does it mean? When I start a new game for Fubar, I should make a guesses, all guesses, and then I should see you win. And when we look here, we already have those.
Win. Yeah.
Those roots, but we have this advice here in the README. Yeah, right. After checking the state, in the show action, we need to, if it's the game is done, we should redirect to the appropriate page. So it should be here in the show method.
Okay. So.
Yes, you do the coding. So.
Okay, so it should, I guess, goes like if.
It's just simple check. Check what's the state. We have this method, right? Check, win or lose.
If check win or lose. Win.
Then we should actually redirect to those pages, because then we can yeah, we can try doing
I think
rendering.
about something like this.
We can try rendering this stuff here.
And then
But yeah,
else
if
loss. Else.
yeah, just add proper spacing.
Show.
Okay, let's yeah, you need to here also add spacing and the if condition.
Yes.
And yeah, so good. Now it's all good. And we'll run the track. Oh boy. It's bad. That's surprising.
Oh, I guess the problem may be in.
Ah, the good catch.
Okay, save.
You did spelling this.
Okay, save. And then run.
Okay,
Okay.
this is the screen. But yeah, we have also this. We should actually make this because we have these roots here. And we can cheat by just going here. So it says here, although all examples are green, we can just add a simple check here.
Okay.
And if we just use the same logic in here, yeah, you can actually copy this whole thing.
It's not cheating.
Yeah, but you need to copy this whole body.
In both places?
Yeah, because we get here, and if we didn't win, just show this guy something else.
Okay.
And here too. Yeah, because we just render if he won, only if
Yeah.
he won. But if he didn't, we need to also show something different. And now it changed. It didn't happen. I'll start the server. Also, with works, right? We cannot read it.
Yeah.
And that's the game work.
Put
Oh,
one more A, for example.
One more A.
Yeah. Yeah. That's nice.
But I'm just terrible at guessing stuff. Oh, there's E. Sudden, yeah. I didn't guess it. I suck hard. It's actually very hard game.
It's working though. No. Eruption? No. Graduation.
Okay. So that's it, right?
Yeah.
Let's just commit and push it.
Okay.
You need to do it because
Yeah,
you're
yeah,
logged in on Heroku. You need to go run git add dash capital A.
Git commit.
Yeah, git commit part 5 done. Yeah, that's true. It's part 5 and done.
Like this?
Yeah, almost. Okay. Now git push Heroku master. Okay. And then you will. I already got your link. No, I closed it up, but it's here. When it's reloaded, should work now. Let's make some guesses. Oh, there's a.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a good thing.
Try R. Yeah, English isn't our native language.
Haircut.
Haircut.
Yeah, so we won this
Okay.
homework.
Great.
So it's done, right?
Yeah.
I can close the broadcasting.
Okay. Let's eat something.